Welcome to AI for Daily Living, where we help make everyday life easier. Whether that's cooking dinner, managing your money, planning a trip, fixing a problem, or staying healthy. Today's topic is turn last year's photos into a beautiful AI photo book, fast. We will show you where to copy this exact prompt at the end of the video. Most of us have thousands of photos sitting on our phones or in the cloud. Vacations, holidays, everyday moments, captured but never organized. And while the idea of creating a photo book sounds great, the process usually feels overwhelming. Too many photos, too many decisions, not enough time. That's where AI can help. In this post, we show you how to use AI as a personal assistant to do the heavy lifting. Not to design the book for you, but to help you decide what actually matters. AI helps you narrow thousands of photos down to a meaningful shortlist, group them into natural chapters, and move quickly toward a finished photo book you'll be proud of. This approach is perfect if you want to preserve memories without perfectionism. Whether you're creating a book for yourself, your partner, your kids, or as a gift for grandparents. The goal is progress, not a museum-quality project that never gets finished. We've included a simple copy and paste prompt that adapts to your photos, your time, and your priorities. You don't need design skills. You don't need hours of sorting. You just need a starting point. And that's exactly what this gives you. See the links in the description to copy and paste this prompt and to receive our free weekly newsletter. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. We publish 5 to 6 videos per month. You never know if this or the next video might change your life.